Hello, I am Dr. Ekua Omosupe, and I am happy to be your instructor for this English 1A. Our theme is America, Myths, Values, Reality, and Change. As we look out onto the landscape of the United States of America and look at our own lives and look at the situations that we're dealing with, even right now, we know that not only is our nation complex, we are complex, mixed individuals. I am so delighted that we will be able to explore together the Constitution of the United States and what the Constitution promises us. We will be able to explore the Pledge of Allegiance to the flag and the principles of the allegiance, at least the principles that it underscores and says what we stand for as a nation. We will discover the things that we're proud of. We will discover the things that we fear. We will discover the things that we want to continue. And if we don't know our passions, we will begin to discover our passions and what we want to do as people with career goals. If you don't know your career goals, perhaps this is the semester that you will discover them. And if you decide you want to change from what you originally imagined you wanted to do with your life, you will have that opportunity as well. So this is a learning time. I am jumping in 100%, and I invite you to do the same. Thank you.